Welcome to today's video, showcasing some insane driving moments which don't end well, whether that's a crash, instant karma, or really stupid decisions. Be sure to watch carefully and learn exactly how not to drive. Chain reaction of one person not paying attention and braking way too late. The Ford driver was incredibly lucky that this crash ended the way it ended. Should be a bit more careful next time. Very close call, but also great control. Saved the situation, which could have damaged multiple cars.
Right, you're right, and it's gonna have to be a picture book, isn't it?
There you go! That fucker's going on already. Oh my god, there's no doors at all.
Trying to run a red light ends terrible for two cars, as this truck driver thinks that he is above the traffic rules.
Why you hitting me, bro?
This dude was stuck between following the rules and breaking them, so he decided to do both. This truck destroys everything in its way to get to his destination. Truly a dedicated driver. Watch as this car loses control on an icy road, causing a huge crash and colliding with a truck. If you're going to turn while there's oncoming traffic, please do it quicker. One dumb decision from a reckless driver nearly caused a fatal crash, but luckily everyone left unharmed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. This is why you should never drive behind loaded trucks. Idiot driver gets exactly what he deserves. Luckily, no one was harmed. It could have really caused some serious damage with this one. This driver got his ego bruised when a motorcycle was cutting through traffic and decided to crash into him. This dude's IQ does not hit above 40. Very close call. Never overtake when approaching a turn. Even a 10-year-old would know that.
Did you get the surprise that... Oh, hello. Oh, shit! Ooh. That was really close.
This turn was so important to this driver that he put other drivers at risk for it, instead of preparing earlier. Ten out of 10 reversing skills.
Those extra awake. That little
is cheaper than all that bubble. Wake up to Waste Australia! Waste Australia!
Visit Compare the Market to see the range of brands and products for comparison. Need cash? You could raise the piggy bank. Is it empty? We could look under the couch.
Crumbs.
Or you could go to Cash Converters. Cash Converters has a range of cash options. Some in as little as 10 minutes. You can sell an item of value, borrow against one, or check out the range of personal finance options. If you need cash now, it has to be Cashes. PVSHD 2025 Australian Credit License 391436391415. See website for TMD.
Nothing comes close to a holiday close to home with Celebrity Cruises. Explore the Great Barrier Reef, New Zealand fjords, Fiji and beyond, right from your backyard. And with 29 restaurants, bars and lounges to try.
This dude just complained like he wasn't 101% at fault because he wanted to be in front of a truck and was willing to risk lives for it.
She's changing me. It's too late for me now. I am altered. There is something beneath. She's not acid nor alkaline. Shit! Fuck!
shit! Oh my god! 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 Fuck! Oh my god!
This Range Rover was tailgating an ambulance, so they brake checked him. A very well-deserved brake check.
Oh my god. What is this Range Rover doing? Yeah.